Western Alaska Minerals is defining a major new silver-rich carbonate replacement discovery on its 100% owned Illinois Creek property. This was the site of a fully permitted and operating gold mine in the 1990s. The company is focused on expanding the Water Pump Creek discovery with a current known 495 meters of mineralized strike length. This is by testing a geophysical extension target that measures 1.4 kilometers of carbonate replacement mineralization for the first time this summer. I have with me an example of drill core from Water Pump Creek. This is from one of the very high-grade intervals, approximately 30 ounces per ton silver, 24% zinc, and over 31% lead. Extremely high grade. Our 73,000 acre property spans multiple mineralized occurrences and structures, showing evidence of very large mineralizing system, which includes carbonate replacement deposits, a copper porphyry deposit, and a high-grade gold vein deposit. Additionally, a cutting-edge 3D geophysical program is underway to identify future targets within the system. Our board, management, and technical teams have track records of exploring and progressing several Tier 1 assets in Alaska, and those include Donlin, Greens Creek, and Bornite. The Illinois Creek property has a 12-mile internal road system and a 4,500-foot airstrip capable of landing C-130 cargo aircraft, and a proposed road to a barge access point on the Yukon River. The company remains focused on delivering value to its shareholders and stakeholders while adhering to the highest standards of environmental stewardship and community engagement.